So in this tip, I'm going to show you how you can very quickly navigate between slides. Sometimes you're showing a presentation and you decide that you want to change the order a little bit, or maybe you want to jump back to a previous slide to highlight a point that you've made previously. Well, it's very easy to do when you are presenting a presentation like this one. So I'm going to focus on slide 6 here, which has an image of some virtual reality goggles. And we're going to start our presentation and show you how you can quickly jump between slides. So we're going to go to our slideshow tab. We're going to start our presentation. Here we are. We're now presenting this presentation to our audience. And normally you would use your cursor keys, your right key or your down key to skip between slides. But I want to jump directly to slide 6. So it's as simple as typing the number 6 and then hitting enter, and it takes me to slide 6. And if I wanted to go back to slide 1, I hit the number 1 on my keyboard and I go back to slide 1. And this works for any number. As long as you type it in relatively quickly. You could even go to slide 172 if you wanted, but you can click on any number of slide and you can jump between those slides as quickly as you want. Just by typing in the number of the slide and then hitting the enter key, and you can hop between slides at your convenience.